Hi everyone, here's a quick update video for you on some batteries. I bought this a while ago from Signature Solar as part of their pre-order sales, and it has finally arrived. It got through customs and the port and all of that. So it's here, and we're gonna take a first look at it in this video. It has some additional features compared to the older model of the Gyll battery, which has been working really awesome for me. As well, I'm going to share with you a brand new model that Signature Solar has just come out, which will be better suited for the RV industry, marine industry, things like that, where it's going to get wet. All summer long, I've been running on these grow-watt inverters behind me. They've been working awesome. Now, I bought these from Signature Solar, and I bought the batteries from Signature Solar, which are the Gyll batteries, lithium iron phosphate, and they've also been working really well for me. Now, I was able to use a coupon code DAVIDPAUSE for these items. You can still use that coupon code for the grow-watt inverters, but the battery discount code has changed to DAVIDPAUSE25. And that's the same coupon code I used when I bought this one. Other than that, I paid full price just like everybody else. Now, Signature Solar has just announced that they have a new battery on its way. It is available for pre-order right now. You can still use the coupon code DAVIDPAUSE25, and I just did that. And I paid full price other than the DAVIDPAUSE25 coupon. It is going to be a completely sealed unit, so no Ethernet port, no screen, nothing like that. That means that it's going to pass the rainwater. I think it's IP68, but don't hold me on that. I'm doing it off the top of my head. But the point is that it's better suited for RV, marine, pickup trucks, type applications. Now you can use it in power walls, setups like this, solar off-grid stuff. That's what I'm going to be paralleling it in as because I don't have an RV. Now that's available for pre-order. I bought one, so as soon as it comes in, I can do a review video of that. But in the meantime, let's break open this new pack. Now it looks like they have probably a communication wire here. So they have the Ethernet port on one side and the USB port on the other, and it looks like they have pre-put these together. So it's already wired for you, so you don't have to go through that trouble that I went through trying to wire these things together. All right, it looks like we have some kind of documentation. We have the small communication wire. This allows you to jump from one battery to the next. We still have some jumper wires to go to the bus bars. So all that is the same as before. It's now branded EG4. So this battery has the same exact case as my Gyll batteries right behind me. It's still 100 amps continuous discharge. This is a 51.2 volt, or typically we just say a 48 volt battery because it works with all 48 volt equipment. Lithium iron phosphate cells. It has a circuit breaker on the front. So that's the same as before. It looks like these terminals are different. In the Gyll batteries, there was only one positive and one negative. It looks like they've changed that to be a double port on each. I'm also noticing that there's an on-off switch. Mine had the circuit breaker as the on-off switch. So the circuit breaker internally had another little switch attached to it, which would turn on the BMS. And it looks like that has been moved to be external. So if I flip that on, I just heard it click internally. And it looks like we have 3 out of 4 bars on the state of charge, little LED indicators down there. I also noticed that instead of just 2 of these communication ports, like on the other ones, I now see 4. So let's go through here. One is listed as CAN, one RS485, and then another 2 are battery communication. So those battery communication ones must be the same as the Gyll. Now I think with this one, it'll now communicate with the grow-watt inverters that I have up on the wall. So that's a feature that I wasn't able to try before. Now these grow-watt inverters have been running months now, all summer long, and they've just been running based on voltage. So this is an option, it's not a requirement. Otherwise, it looks very much the same, and I'm excited to put this in and try out the additional features. Now, part of the reason that I did this was because a pre-order is not something that I'm a big fan of. But the trouble is that these batteries keep selling out so fast that a lot of viewers of this channel have told me that they haven't been able to get in on it early enough, and so they're disappointed by that. So pre-ordering is maybe something that's part of the future with the trouble in the chip shortage and shipping costs. I don't know. I hope we get back to where companies can just have product in stock, you order and it's delivered. But in the meantime, pre-ordering is something that's out there. I don't know. Well, like I said, this was just a really quick rundown. This was just delivered, and I wanted to let you guys know right away. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.